Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. Students, for your upcoming CTET examination December 2023, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. In this particular series, we have started with the mathematics subject. In today's topic, we'll be discussing measurement. This is the first session on measurement. So here we'll be discussing the concept and MCQs. This is going to help you for the paper 1 as well as paper 2 preparation of CTET. Okay. So at the same time, students, this is the session number 14. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please do watch it because this is going to help you a lot for your preparation of examination. At the same time, if you're targeting for the CTET December 2023 examination, then for paper 1 and paper 2, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus. Here you'll be provided with the following features: full syllabus video lectures through which you can clear all your concepts, including this students. The educator will share you lots of tips and tricks so that you can solve your question paper with lots of confidence and with no errors. Okay, at the same time, full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the form of PDF, which is easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock tests will be provided. These mock tests are going to help you a lot because the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence, this is very much important. Full syllabus MCQ PDF will be available. This is again downloaded through your mobile phone. Fees for these features is rupees 3000. The complete course of paper 1 and paper 2 will be provided to you in the course fees of just 3000 rupees. This is for the compiled paper 1 and paper 2 preparation. If you are targeting for individual paper, that is paper 1 or paper 2, the course for the individual courses is 2000. Okay, simply you have to contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course, or you can download the Global Online application for more details. Okay, so you can contact again on this WhatsApp number. So let us begin with the topic measurement, where we'll be talking about a little bit theoretical portion, okay, simple portion, and then we'll start up with the MCQs. Okay, so measurement is a basic concept that everyone deals with the real life situation. Now we know this. Okay, so there is no need to elaborate these statements over here. So for example, in your daily life, you use turns, example kg or gram weights, okay, to purchase certain fruits or vegetables, or even to purchase golds, okay, or to purchase any other material. We use certain kind of weights, okay, so to measure the quantity, okay, which we are buying or which we are selling out there. Okay, so we purchase 5 kg fruits, 5 for example 5 kg of apples and all, okay, 5 tons of a particular metal in such a way. Okay, so this is representing the measurement over here, and the measurement here is represented by the kg or different weights of the measurement, okay, units of measurement. So what is measurement? Measurement is a basically technique of finding the number that signifies the amount, actually, which is telling out the amount, the size, the quantity of an object is nothing but the measurement. Okay, for example, the length of an object is distance from the end to end. For example, I have given you a pencil, or look at the pencil which is in your hand, or the pen which is in your hand, or the book in which you're writing right now. Okay, to check whether how much length is the book what is the length of a particular pencil, we are basically using the particular unit over there, that is for example meter, or for example centimeter. These are the different measurement unit for length. Okay, so some of the basic measurements are to calculate the length or the distance, to calculate the weight, to calculate time, area, okay, how much is the area of a particular plot or the volume of a particular shape, okay, perimeter of a given area, temperature, what is the temperature right now in which you are sitting in the room. Okay, so these are the different measurements, or these are the different, what we can say, some basic measurements required in our day-to-day life. Okay, so based upon this only CTET examination can ask you different questions. So I have prepared few questions over here which are completely based upon the concept. Okay, now in examination you can get the solution, but these questions which I have mentioned here is solely based upon the concept. So you can get options in the examination, but here I have not given any kind of option. Just to clarify the concept, I have given such type of questions. Now look here, calculate the sum of the length 21 meter, 13 centimeter, 33, 55 centimeter, 45 meter and 6 centimeter. Basically these are the three measurements, that is one object is for 21 meter, 13 centimeter, other one is 33 meter, 55 centimeter, and the third one is 45 meters and 6 centimeter. centimeter. So you have to just take the addition or calculate the sum of these lengths given here. So always remember, whenever we are actually taking sum of any kind of measurement, we are actually adding or taking sum of any length or subtracting any lengths or measurements given in the question, always remember their units should be same. Their unit should be always the same. Okay, based on this concept, questions has been asked in your CTET examination and will be asked. Okay, specifically for the paper 1 students. So here, to add any given measurement, the unit should be always the same. This is the mandatory fact. Okay, so to add 21 meter 13 centimeter, okay, what I'll do here is I'll just simply write down all the values first and try to understand. Okay, 45 meter and 6 centimeter. If we look at these three measurements, all the three measurements contain two units. One is meter and another one is centimeter. So what I will do is I will add the meters alag se and I'll add the centimeter differently and then add up together. It means what? To add these all lengths together, 21 plus 33 plus 45. These three values of given object are in meter. Okay, so I'll take meter, and the other three, that is 13 centimeter, 55 centimeter and 6 centimeter, these are the object's length given in centimeter. So I'll add up these together. To add these meter one side and add these centimeter other side, okay, simply I'll get 99 meter and here 74 centimeter. Just take these values together. So the values of the sum of the lengths of these three given measurements is nothing but 99 meter 74 centimeter. Always remember the units should be same. Based on this concept, questions will be asked. Sure shot. Okay, moving on to the next question, students. Beena bought 3 kg 760 gram of wool to make a carpet. How much more wool does she need to make the weight of 4 kg? Now look here, based upon the previous concept where we have seen the summation should be of the same unit. Okay, so based on that and based upon a conversion factor, this particular question has been asked. So conversion number 1, always remember 1 kg. To convert 1 kg into grams, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, what is given here? Beena has bought 3 kg 760 gram of wool to make a carpet. How much more wool she will need to weight it 4 kg, or to take the value of 4 kg. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll convert this 3 kg 760 grams into completely grams. Okay, so I'll convert this kg into gram first. So tell me, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so 3 kg will be equal to 3 into 1000 grams plus 760, the extra grams given in the value. This will give me 3000 plus 760 grams, that is equal to 3760 grams. Okay, now we have to actually make 4 kg. We have to actually make 4 kg, but we got 3760 grams. So how much more is required? Okay, so we'll convert this 4 kg into grams, and we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 4 kg will be equal to 4 into 1000, that will give me 4000 grams. Okay, so from this I can clearly see I got 3760 and I need 4000. So how much more I'm going to need over here? I'll take the difference. So after taking difference, I'll get the exact value by which Beena is lagging. Okay, so 4000 minus 3760, I'll get here 240 grams. So this is the extra amount that is I'm going to need to make the value, to make this particular value to 4000. Okay, so this was the question, again based upon simple factor over here, that is conversion. Moving on to the next question, students. A pile of 10 books is 10 centimeter high. What is the thickness of each book? Now again one more conversion is required to solve this question. What is given first? That is there is a pile of 10 books. What is a pile? Pile, it doesn't mean that, basically it means what can we say, like books are arranged on each other. Okay, so the bunch of these particular books arranged on each other is nothing but the pile. Okay, this is called as pile. So the pile of 10 books is given, which is of 10 centimeter height. high. Okay, so what is the thickness of each book? We have to find the thickness of each book over here. The first conversion that we are going to need is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. I have converted this centimeter value into millimeter. Okay, so how many books are there? There are 10 books. There are how much books? There are 10 books, and we know this 10 books is equal to 10 centimeter. So I'll understand that if 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, so 10 centimeter will be equal to how much millimeter? 10 into 10. That will give me 100 millimeter. I have converted this 10 centimeter into 100 millimeter. Got it? Okay, moving on to the next here. If one book, now we know this, that the value of this 10 books is equal to 100 millimeter. Simply we know that the value of the 10 books, or the thickness of, or the height, sorry, not the thickness, okay, the height of the 10 books was 10 centimeter, or the height of 10 books is 100 millimeter. One and the same. I have just converted the centimeter into millimeter, right? So if 10 books is equal to 100 millimeter, then one book will be equal to how much? 100 divided by 10. This will give me 10 millimeter. So the thickness of each book over here, the thickness of each book over here is 10 millimeter. I hope you have got this. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 10 books is equal to 10 centimeter. I have simply just taken the value that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and based upon this conversion I have solved the whole question. Okay, moving on to the next question, students. I hope you are getting it, whatever I am teaching over here. Okay, a furlong is a unit of length used in a horse racing. Actually, a furlong is again a unit which is used in horse racing. Just like to measure the length we use centimeter या फिर meter, similarly to measure the horse racing we use the unit named as furlong. Okay, and the furlong, it is 1/8 of a mile. It is 1/8 of the mile. To the nearest tenth, how many meters are equal to the furlong if 1.609 kilometers is equal to a mile? Now look here, to understand this question we need to understand that 1.609 is equal to 1 mile. 1.609, this is kilometer, this is equal to 1 mile. Okay, so what I'll do over here is I'll convert this kilometer into meter. Now to convert the kilometer into meter, we know in case of 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. There are 1000 meters. So to convert this kilometer into meter, I'll multiply 1.609 into 1000 meter is equal to 1 mile. Okay, now what is here? After 3 digits there is a point. Similarly, there are 3 zeros over here. I can simply cut down the zeros and remove out the point. So this will give me 1609 meter is equal to 1 mile. So we got this value after the conversion. We got this value after the conversion. Okay, moving on now. Next, given in the question is 1 furlong is equal to 1/8 of the mile. 1/8 of a mile. And we know what is the value of mile. The value of mile is 1.609. Just simply do 1/8 of a mile. What is the value of mile? 1.609. So I'll get the value of 1 furlong is equal to 201.125. Okay, I have simply taken 1 furlong. It is given in the question. Please try to understand here. It is equal to 1/8 of the mile. 1 furlong, it is equal to 1/8 of the mile. So based on this, I have find the value of 1 furlong. Okay, 1 furlong, 201.1 meter. So we can actually write this as 201.1 just to understand. Okay, this can be given in the option. So 201.1 is the answer for your given question. I hope you have got it. Moving on to the next question, students. A cost of 1 liter of syrup is rupees 840.80. What is the cost of 600 ml of syrup? Okay, what is the solution? Now look here. We know that 1 liter here, the cost of the 1 liter is equal to 840.80. This is the given data. Okay, and at the same time we know to convert this 1 liter into milliliter, we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So question has asked us cost of 600 milliliter. So I'll convert this milliliter, try to understand here, into liter. So to convert this milliliter into liter, I'll divide it by 1000. So 600 divided by 1000. Now this is 6000 divided by 1000 liters. Okay, so this is the 6000 divided by 1000 liters, and we know 1 liter is equal to 840.80. So what will be the cost of 600 into 6000? If the value of 1 liter is equal to 840.80 rupees, then the cost of 600 divided by 1000 liter will be equal to 600 upon 1000 into 840.80. After the calculation, we'll get the value is equal to 504.48. So this is the answer for your given question. This is the cost of 600 ml of a given syrup. Okay, moving on to the next question, students. In this also we have used conversion. Here, based upon the conversions, again this question has been asked. Very simple. Now what is given here? We know that 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. Then what is the cost of 84 inch? We don't have to do anything, already everything is given. That is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. We have to find the value of 84 inches. They haven't mentioned here what unit you have to find out. Okay, so we'll find out the answer in centimeters only. Okay, so based on this, if 1 inch is equal to 2.54, so 84 inches will be equal to 84 into 2.54 centimeter. This will give me 213.36 centimeter. Okay, so I'll ask you one question based on this. Find out the centimeter, how much wait 1 second please, just let me make the question. Okay, so how many centimeter tall is 84 inches door? Find out the solution or the answer in meter. If I ask you, what should be the answer? Till here the calculation is similar. You just have to convert this centimeter into meter. Just go through the conversions, how to convert a given value of centimeter into meter, then you can find it out. Okay, so answer this particular question of mine in the comment section, please, everyone, and let me know what is your answers. Okay, moving on to the next question. Vinu and Shan together weighed 72 kg 350 gram. If Vinu weighs 39 kg 185 gram, then what is Shan's weight? Okay, very simple question over here. Now we know Venu's weight is equal to 39 kg 185 gram. We don't know what is the Shan's weight, but we know that the together, that is Shan plus Venu's weight is equal to 72 kg. Shan plus Venu is equal to 72 kg 350 gram. Let us consider, let Shan's weight be X. Okay, so 39 kg 185 gram plus this is what? This is Venu's weight. Okay, this is Venu's weight plus Shan's weight is, for example, X we have considered. This will give, the summation is equal to 72 kg 350 grams. If I add their weight together, okay, or I'll get this particular value. Okay, after adding this, I'll get the value 72 kg 350 gram. But we don't know the Shan's weight, so we can find out Shan's weight. X is equal to 72 kg 350 grams minus 39 kg 185 grams. Just go through the first question where I have told you that we have to actually see the unit before carrying out addition or subtraction. Here we are carrying out the subtraction, so the unit should be same. So I will subtract 72 kg minus 39 kg in such a way, and 350 grams minus 185 grams. So 72 kg minus 39 kg will give me 33 kg, and 350 grams minus 150 gram will give me 165 gram. Okay, so the value or the weight of the Shan is equal to 33 kg 165 gram. Very simple question it was. Okay, so this was the end of today's session, students, and this is the question that I want to give you as a homework. In tomorrow's lecture we'll continue this topic. Okay, please take a screenshot of this particular question and let me know the answer in the comment section. So this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for joining it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.